Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use unlimited elemental arrows. As you can see, I have 0 arrows, but my attack is still elemental. So all you have to do guys is to lock your arrow and click the star icon, and that's it. You now have a elemental arrow, unlimited elemental arrow. So try it now guys. That's all.